and then this train don't even fit on it. What? So you would need 4 of these boxes to make a complete circle. And if you buy this train, it will not fit on this track. Alright, so this is my own fault for not reading the boxes. But as you can see, this train car is not wide enough. So we'll have to put some rubber tires on the train and it'll have to cruise through the town without tracks. Oh, my son's not going to be happy with me. 4. You need 4 of them to complete one circle. Possibly 3, I guess, if you use these 2. These are movable parts. But I would just go with 4 boxes of them. And each box costs $20 American.